Our natural world comes with many resources, and humans have always invented ways to capture and utilize them. As populations and inventions increased, we started digging deep and reaching far to meet the growing demands from our surroundings. Our undeniable urge to move forward launched mankind into an unstoppable industrial revolution. But as it turns out, the exhaustive use of our planet's natural supplies isn't without consequence. Earth is paying a heavy toll. World leaders turned our climate into a priority, and with that, we began to shift our focus towards the other natural supplies within our habitat: the sun, water reserves, and the ever-available wind. Wind is translated into energy through the use of wind turbines. Heavily subsidized by our governments, they are meant to take us further. But wind isn't that easily harvested. Over time, turbine generators doubled in size and tripled in weight. The blades became longer, the nacelle heavier. Towers grew taller, circumference grew thicker, and foundations followed in size, exponentially pushing production and maintenance costs to non-affordable levels. Now, what if we told you that there is another way? A revolutionary opportunity to truly harvest what the wind has to offer. A way that cuts costs in half and increases capacity both on land and water. A cutting-edge invention that combines aerospace, electrical and machine engineering with aerodynamic industrial design. MegaWindForce designed and patented a new wind turbine. Powerful, dynamic and subsidy-free. The first striking feature is the wind turbine's ring-shaped structure. It divides forces equally across itself, lessening its strain on it. There is no need for a center axis, and thus no convergence of extreme pressure in the middle. The blades are shorter and wider, producing more lift and experiencing less pressure. The nacelle, housing all generating components, is aerodynamically designed to reduce friction. Wind slides past it easily. The tower has an oval shape. This typical design decreases pressure on the tower. Now let's have a look at the interior of the ring structure. Inside the ring, the rotor directly drives the generator, which actually consists of separate generator units. There are no gears, and thus no gearbox. The rotor's bearing system is fully pneumatic, and therefore contact-free. The tower leans forward at a slight 10-degree angle. The center of gravity hovers directly above the point of support in perfect balance. This divides forces more favorably. The tower is able to lean forward, actually absorbing powerful gusts of wind caught at the foundation. To intercept changing wind directions, the vertical axis rotates as well. Wind speeds aren't constant. Once they approach storm level, the wind turbine folds into itself due to an innovative retractable system. Pneumatics make the tower retract vertically, whilst hydraulics enable a horizontal retraction. At ground level, blades can be replaced or taken off. Inside the ring, generator components have many duplicates, or a high redundancy, as they say. Should one part fail, it is replaced just by switching on another, while the machine keeps running. Real-time monitoring through sensors and software allows the control center to measure the current state of the components inside. All engineering, like the heavy compressor and hydraulic system, is housed in the foundation. This keeps the tower light and provides easy ground access for maintenance. Another striking feature is the material. The wind turbine is made out of carbon, which isn't affected by wind, salt, rain, or oxidation. Most importantly, it weighs just a fraction of the current model. Less weight equals lower costs, and thus a much higher efficiency. Part of this innovative design centers around shipment and transportation. As the wind turbines are less tall than traditional ones, they fit inside standardized 40-foot containers. Roads no longer have to be closed off or specially built to move the parts to where they're going. The containers are compatible with all ships and loaders. Traditional turbines take 2 months to ship and build. These ones are simply put together on site and built in a day. The MegaWindForce wind turbines are able to handle all terrains and weather conditions, from the low wind speed countryside to windy waters and everywhere else. In summary, an innovative ring-shaped generator with an incredibly high air gap speed. Light carbon material with favorable aerodynamics and weight distribution. High redundancy, low maintenance, and practical shipping. The wind turbine designed and created by MegaWindForce is a worldwide opportunity for us to design a new horizon. MegaWindForce, generating a new future.